Can you feel me telepathically speaking to you? I wonder if you sense the energy I'm sending out, the silent words I can't seem to say out loud. Lately, I find myself constantly thinking of you, even when I'm not trying to. There's this almost instinctual pull I feel towards you, like my mind and heart are caught in a loop where they keep coming back to thoughts of you. I imagine a future together, and it seems so natural that it scares me. It's not something I planned or consciously set out to do, but every time I let my mind wander, it's you I see beside me, sharing moments, dreams, and a life. I don't know why it happens this way, why your energy has this power over me, but it does. You're always there, pulling me back, no matter how far I try to run. I used to be afraid that we didn't share the same dreams, the same vision for our lives. That fear held me back for so long. I thought that if I opened my heart to you, those differences would eventually tear us apart. I was terrified of what that might do to both of us. What if giving you my heart meant losing myself in the process, or worse, losing you when our paths inevitably diverged? It felt safer to keep my distance, to protect myself from potential heartache. But over time, I've come to realize that I was wrong. Our differences aren't something to be feared, they are, in fact, our strength. Where I once saw potential conflict, I now see balance. The ways we differ don't push us apart, they bring us together in a way that makes us stronger as a pair. We complement each other, filling in the gaps where the other might lack. It's like we create a complete picture when we're together, each of us contributing our unique strengths to form something better than what we could be on our own. I regret running from that. I regret not seeing sooner just how beautiful our connection truly is. And now, I feel the weight of my actions, the weight of the silence I created between us. I want to explain everything to you. I need to tell you why I went silent, why I pulled away from you, and why I acted like I didn't care. The truth is, I've been battling my own fears and insecurities, and in doing so, I let them cloud my judgment. I let them push you away when, deep down, you were the one person I wanted close. You might think that I've been happy without you, that I've moved on and emotionally detached myself from you. But I need you to know that nothing could be further from the truth. On the surface, it may appear that I'm content and that I've found peace, but inside, I'm a mess. I feel completely the opposite of what you might think. There's a hollowness in me that only seems to grow the longer we're apart. I know I owe you an apology. I treated you unfairly, and in doing so, I broke your trust, something I deeply regret. I wish I could go back and undo the hurt I caused, but all I can do now is apologize and hope that you can find it in your heart to forgive me. Not being in touch with you has taken a toll on me in ways I didn't anticipate. It's been causing me sleepless nights, anxiety, and a constant sense of unease. I've tried to push through it, to convince myself that I could get over this, but the truth is, I can't. I don't want to lose you. Not now, not ever. The thought of being apart from you for a lifetime is something I can't bear anymore. I'm tired of the games, of my own inconsistent behavior. I know I've been hot and cold, in and out of your life, and that's not fair to you. You deserve better than that, and I want to be better for you. I'm done with running, done with hiding behind my fears. I need you to know that my feelings for you are real, and they are strong. They've always been strong, even when I was too afraid to admit it. I'm ready to stop running, to stop making excuses, and to finally give this a real chance. If you can find it in your heart to forgive me, I promise I won't let you down again. It was always you that I was searching for, but now, standing at this point in my life, I've come to understand something deeply painful. It wasn't the circumstances, fate, or anyone else that led to this long separation between us, it was me. I am the one responsible for the distance that grew between us, and that realization hits me harder than I ever thought possible. Looking back, I can see the mistakes I made, the things I should have said, and the moments I let slip away because of fear or misunderstanding. Now, I feel the weight of that separation in every part of me, and it hurts in ways I can barely put into words. What makes it worse is that now I truly understand how painful it is to love someone who doesn't seem to feel the same, or at least doesn't admit to it. There's a unique kind of heartache that comes when you give your heart to someone and, instead of receiving love in return, you are met with rejection. It's even more painful when you know, deep down, that the feelings are mutual. You can sense it in their eyes, their actions, and even in the silences between words, yet they still deny it. They turn away from those feelings, either out of fear or confusion, leaving you with this heavy sense of loss. I never fully understood this pain until I found myself in this very position, loving you so deeply but watching you deny what I know is in your heart. But despite everything, I'm not giving up. I know you may think it's over between us, that our chance at love has passed, but I can't believe that. In fact, I feel like our story isn't over at all, it's just about to begin. I truly believe that there's something special between us, something that can't simply fade away because of mistakes or misunderstandings. There's still so much left unsaid, so much potential between us that's waiting to unfold. I can feel it in my heart, in the way my thoughts always seem to return to you, no matter how much time passes or how much distance grows between us. I can't deny the way I feel about you, and I don't want to. There is no one else who has ever captured my heart and attention the way you have. From the very first day I met you, I felt something different, something powerful. It was as if, in that moment, my soul recognized yours, and I knew that you were going to be important to me in ways I couldn't even explain. Since that day, no one else has come close to holding my attention or my heart the way you do. You are my true love, and there isn't a single doubt in my mind about that. I can't imagine my future without you in it, and I don't want to. I just wish I had been brave enough to tell you sooner how much you mean to me. There were so many moments when I wanted to pour out my heart to you, to tell you that you're the person who makes me want to be better, who inspires me to reach for things I never thought possible. You bring out the best in me, in ways I never realized I needed. But I kept those feelings inside, too afraid of what might happen if I let them out. And now, I regret every moment I stayed silent. The truth is, I've never cried for anyone before, but for you, all my emotions have come rushing to the surface. You've touched parts of my heart that no one else has ever reached. Every time I think of you, I feel this overwhelming rush of emotion, love, sadness, hope, fear. It's like you've opened up a part of me that I didn't even know existed. And now, I'm left here with all these feelings, knowing that I can't move on from you, that I don't want to move on from you. I don't know what the future holds for us, but I do know this: I'm not ready to let go of you. I believe that we still have a chance, that our story isn't over, no matter how things might seem right now. So please, don't give up on me, on us. I know I've made mistakes, and I know there's a lot we need to work through, but I also know that what we have is real. And real love deserves a second chance. So I'm standing here, hopeful, waiting for the moment when we can start again, together. Because you are my true love, and nothing will ever change that.